Hi everyone, thanks for joining in on Mrs. Grebb time. So today I'd like to start with rhyming words, but a little bit different than the way we usually do it. I'm going to give you a category and I want you to think of some words that rhyme within that category. And I'll even throw some words out to you as well. So our first category is how about things to eat. So I'm going to say fruit. What rhymes with fruit? Did you say boot? Or maybe moot? Those are words I thought of. It can be a nonsense word too as the rhymer. How about cheese? What would rhyme with cheese? I thought of bees and I thought of knees. What about the word milk? What rhymes with milk? Did you come up with silk? That's what I thought of. Let's move on to things that we can wear outside or things that we even see outside. So I'm looking out my window and I see a flower. What rhymes with flower? Did you say power? That's what I thought of. What about a hat? Like you could wear a hat outside? What word would rhyme with hat? Did you think of flat or mat, even rat? There's lots of rhymers for hat. How about a rock? I look out my window and I see a rock. What rhymes with rock? Did you come up with lock? That's what I thought of. Let's think of another category. How about the category of animals? So if I said the word geese, what would rhyme with geese? Did you think of fleece? I did. What about a goat? What word would rhyme with goat? Boat, moat, even tote. How about a dog? What could rhyme with dog? Fog, bog, log. Those all rhyme. And the last one we'll do is cat. What can rhyme with cat? Mat, bat, even hat. That was one of our earlier words. Great rhyming today. The next thing we're going to do is take a word and break it into syllables. If you remember, a syllable, the easiest way to tell a syllable, for me at least, if you take your two fingers and you put it under your chin, and every time your jaw drops, that counts as a syllable. So if I was saying the word difficult, let's count how many times my jaw drops when I say it. Difficult. 3 times. Difficult has 3 syllables. Let's try to figure out those syllables and we'll use our chopping hands. If you're having trouble using your chopping hands, you could put your 2 fingers under your chin to try to figure out how many syllables are in the word. So our next word is going to be introduce. Introduce. 3. What about furniture? Furniture. 3. Let's try intelligent. Intelligent. 4. That one had 4 in there. Let's try exploding. Exploding. Did you come up with 3? Let's try enjoyment. Enjoyment. 3 again. And the last one we're going to do today is principal. Did you know Friday was Principal's Day? I hope you had a chance to reach out to your principal. Principal. 3. Excellent job. The next thing I'd like to do today is we are going to do, I'm going to say the word, you're going to repeat it, and you're going to stand up tall out of your chair if the 2 words that I say end with the same syllable. So you hear in the last part of the word the same sound. If they do not have the same sound at the end or the last syllable, you get to stay in your seat. Let's try it. Grumble, marble. Did you stand up? I hope so, because they both end with the bull sound at the end. Grumble, marble. They have the same ending. Let's try the next set. Protection, construction. I hope you stay standing because that's where you should be. They both have that last syllable that's the same. Let's try accident, difficult. I hope you sat back down. Those do not have the last syllable in common. Let's try discovery, recovery. Did you stand back up? You should have. How about colorful and tasteful? I hope you're still standing. And let's try physical, practical. You're still standing up, aren't you? Okay, well then let's try margarine and princess. That should have got you sitting back in your seat because those did not end in the same syllable. Good job. All right, our next thing we're going to do, I'm going to say a word. You're going to repeat the word, and then we're going to change a part of it and get a new word. Okay, so if my word is protection and I take away the part that is tection and instead I put viding, now my word is providing. Do you see how we did that? We took away that last syllable and we changed it. Okay, let's try another one. Reporter. If I'm going to take away the porter part and instead I'm going to put quest. So now I have request. Hear the new word? Let's try the word 70 and then I take away the T on the end and instead I put teen. I end up with 17. It's also a compound word. Let's try permission. Take away mission and instead put informants. Performance. Good job. Your performance today, I bet, has been spectacular. I wish I could see you at home following along with me. The next thing we're going to do today is we're going to take away some sounds. Instead of adding, we're going to take away. So I'll say the word, you repeat the word, and then I'll tell you what to take away, and let's see what word's left. Okay, so my first word is remove. And I want you to take away the re, and you're left with move. Good job. Impossible. Take away the im, and you're left with possible. Excellent job. Ooh, listen to this one. Frosted. Take away the ed, and you're left with frost. Good job. How about predictable? Take away the ending of able and you're left with predict. And let's try the word uncover. And if I take away un, I'm left with cover. Good job. Well, I hope you enjoyed working with me today and following along as we did some more phonemic awareness activities. Have a great day.